They begin in motion, feet pounding against dust, breath sharp like stone tools cutting air. This is not a gym. This is the world as the first warriors knew it, where strength was survival, and weakness meant death. A lone figure runs across dry earth, your modern self transformed by an ancient purpose. No headphones, no machines, only instinct and the will to endure. The warm sun presses down as the first trial begins. Sprint, stop, drop push-ups against harsh ground. Your muscles awaken like a predator stirred from long sleep. Sweat rolls down like ancient rivers that once fed life. You rise again. 10 breaths. Then the next attack begins. Burpees, explosive survival leaps. Your heart drums like the feet of a charging beast. A twist erupts in your inner world, lungs burning, strength fading. But quitting is the language of the domesticated. You choose the tongue of warriors. Knees bend. Fists clench. You launch again into the fight. Now, strength trial. Squats as if lifting the earth itself. Legs forged like the pillars that carried entire tribes across unforgiving lands. Your body shakes. Ancient instincts roar. Fight or fall behind and die. But pain is proof of becoming. Then a second twist strikes. A storm of doubt. Maybe this is enough. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe I can't. Your shadow hesitates. But your survival self steps forward. You channel the ones who hunted giants. You place your hands on raw stone or any weight you can find. A bag, a rock, your own body mass, and rise into stone lifting. Core tight. Legs steel. Shoulders carving a warrior's history into the present moment. Fire builds inside you. Final challenge. The predator escape drill. High knees, as if chased. Every step, a refusal to be prey. Your vision narrows, focus sharp like obsidian blades. This is your climactic struggle. Your body versus the ancient laws of strength. You refuse to fall. You refuse to freeze. With the last shot of adrenaline, you push through. Success, survival, you drop to your knees, exhausted, alive, awake. Your chest rises like thunder returning to sky, then peace. Slow breaths. Stretching like a lion after battle, in this stillness, you feel it. You are rewriting evolution, choosing strength over comfort, discipline over decay, the warrior over the spectator. The camera pulls wide modern world around you. But a prehistoric fire glowing within, you stand. Victorious, transformed, the fitness of ancient humans. Claimed by you, today you survived. Tomorrow, you rise stronger.